I've got SHARP B10 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So actually we have two methods. Let's start with the quickest one. So let's open phone dialer at first and then enter a secret code, which is *06#. And that's it. As you can see, you've been provided with both IMEI numbers assigned to your SHARP. Click on OK to go back. And now we will open both IMEI numbers and also the serial number through the settings. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list, click on About Phone, and then a bit lower, select Status. Here you will notice IMEI information, and as you can see, both IMEI numbers are included here, and then a bit lower you can find serial number. So that would be all. This is how you can locate IMEI and serial number assigned to your SHARP B10. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.